Welcome, crafters and art enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the captivating world of wood carving. If you've ever marveled at the intricate, lifelike sculptures carved from a simple block of wood, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the art of wood carving and teaching you how to create your own stunning, one-of-a-kind wooden masterpieces. From abstract forms to lifelike figurative sculptures, the possibilities for artistic expression through this medium are truly endless. Now, I know what you might be thinking: wood carving seems so complicated and intimidating. But trust me, with the right techniques and a little bit of practice, anyone can unleash their inner sculptor and transform ordinary wood into extraordinary works of art. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, we'll walk you through each step of the carving process. You'll learn about the essential tools, proper safety precautions, and the fundamental techniques that will have you carving with confidence in no time. So get ready to unlock your creative potential, connect with the natural beauty of wood, and let your imagination run wild. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to create stunning, one-of-a-kind wood carvings that will impress your friends, family, and anyone who lays eyes on your masterpieces. Let's dive in and start shaping something truly amazing. Before we start carving, it's important to select the right type of wood for your project. Softwoods like basswood, butternut, and white pine are excellent choices for beginners, as they are relatively easy to carve and have a smooth, consistent grain. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and cherry offer more resistance but can produce stunning, detailed carvings for more experienced artists. Regardless of the wood type, the first step is to prepare your blank. This involves squaring off the block, ensuring the surfaces are flat and smooth. You can use a hand plane, belt sander, or orbital sander to achieve the perfect starting canvas for your carving. With your wood prepped and ready, it's time to start planning your carving design. Begin by sketching your idea on paper, exploring different shapes, poses, and compositions that will translate well into 3 dimensions. Remember, the wood grain and natural characteristics of the material can lend themselves beautifully to the final carving. Once you have a solid sketch, transfer your design onto the wood blank using a pencil or marker. This will serve as a guide for your carving, helping you visualize the final form emerging from the block. Now comes the fun part, the actual carving. Depending on the complexity of your design, you'll want to start with larger, roughing out tools like gouges and chisels to remove the bulk of the material. Be sure to keep your fingers and hands safely clear of the cutting edge as you work. As you progress, switch to smaller, more precise carving tools to refine the details and shapes. Techniques like stopping cuts, shearing cuts, and delicate gouge work will allow you to bring your vision to life, revealing the natural beauty of the wood. To complete your stunning wood carving, you'll want to add the final finishing touches. This may involve sanding the surface to a silky smooth finish, applying a clear protective finish, or even adding color with paints or stains. The beauty of wood carving is that you can experiment with different techniques and finishes to create truly unique and personalized artworks. Whether you prefer a natural, rustic look or a more polished, refined aesthetic, the final result will be a one-of-a-kind piece that showcases your skill and creativity. Wood carving is a truly rewarding and captivating art form that allows you to unleash your creative potential and connect with the natural beauty of the material. By mastering the essential techniques and tools, you'll be able to transform ordinary blocks of wood into extraordinary, lifelike sculptures that will impress and delight all who see them. So what are you waiting for? Grab your carving tools, let your imagination run wild, and get ready to create your own magnificent wood carvings that will elevate your home and inspire others. The possibilities are endless. Before we get started, it's important to talk about the essential tools you'll need for your wood carving journey. While you don't need a massive workshop full of equipment, Having the right carving tools can make all the difference in the quality and ease of your work. At a minimum, you'll want to have a set of sharp carving chisels and gouges in various sizes and profiles. These will be your primary cutting tools for removing material and shaping your design. You'll also want a mallet or carving hammer to provide the necessary force when working. Additionally, consider investing in a carving knife, a detail gouge for intricate work, and a set of small, precise tools like V-tools and parting tools. And don't forget safety gear like cut-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a sturdy work surface to keep your hands and fingers safe. Now that you've got the right tools, it's time to start thinking about the type of wood carving you'd like to create. From lifelike figurative sculptures to abstract, modern forms, the possibilities are truly endless. One popular style is relief carving, where you create a design that appears to pop out of the wood surface. This is a great option for beginners, as it allows you to practice your technique on a relatively flat surface before moving on to more complex, three-dimensional carvings. Another style to consider is in the round carving, where you sculpt a freestanding figure or object that can be viewed from all angles. This requires a more advanced understanding of anatomy, proportion, and negative space, but the results can be breathtaking. You can also explore the rich tradition of wood spirit carvings, where you bring the natural character of the wood to life by revealing the faces and forms hidden within the grain. This style allows you to tap into the inherent personality of the material. Now that you've got your tools and have explored the exciting world of wood carving, let's dive into a step-by-step demonstration of the carving process. For this project, we'll be creating a whimsical wood spirit carving, taking advantage of the unique grain patterns and natural imperfections in the wood to guide our design. Wood carving is a truly captivating art form that allows you to unleash your creativity, connect with the natural world, and produce stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that will be cherished for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, I hope this video has inspired you to pick up a set of carving tools and start exploring the endless possibilities of this incredible medium. Remember, the key is to embrace the unique character of the wood, trust your instincts, and have fun with the process. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start carving, and prepare to amaze yourself and everyone around you with your incredible wood carvings.